Hello and welcome to ATC Global Logistics Exim Bytes, wherein we will be giving you regular updates on various topics like new customs notification, procedural changes pertaining to Exim, updates on current shipping scenario, port updates and intra-India cargo movement. We will be uploading these Exim Bytes on various social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp on a regular basis. Today we will be discussing on shipping line updates and a few notifications. First update is of Suez Canal crisis. Vessel Ever Given, which was aground due to strong winds and sandstorm, has been cleared from the passage. The week-long blockage of the passage has severely affected the movement of the vessels, both inbound and outbound. This situation will possibly affect overall shipping scenario in terms of cancellation of bookings, possibility of further increase in the freight rates, shortage of containers. As expected by the experts, it will take another 2 months' time to get the situation streamlined. We will keep you updated on this situation. The second important topic is Section 46, Proposed Amendment Instruction Number 5, Circular 8, dated 29th March 2021, which states that bill of entry to be filed 1 day before vessel or aircraft arrival. Failing to do so, penalty will be imposed. Importers must submit all the relevant and necessary documents to CHA well in advance. Bill of entry will be filed in advance and will be linked automatically once the manifest is filed. The next notification is for NFMIMS. DGFT has introduced non-ferrous metal import monitoring system, that is NFMIMS, for imports of copper and aluminium wide notification number 61 of 2015-2020. DGFT have notified the list of various products under Chapter 74 and 76 for the NFMIMS. The system is similar to SIMS systems for steel imports. The importer will require to submit the information for NFMIMS and automatically registration number will be generated by paying fee of Rs 500. The importer can apply 60 days in advance and not later than 5 days before the expected date of arrival of import consignment. The NFMIF number is valid for 75 days. The registration will be compulsory for bill of entries filed on or after 12th April 2021. The online facility will be available from 5th of April 2021 at imports.gov.in. The next import notification is notification number 23 of 2021 dated 31st March 2021, wherein the following notifications has been extended till 31st March 2022 for GST. The notification numbers are 16 of 2015 EPCG, notification number 18 of 2015 Advance Authorization, notification number 20 of 2015 Advance Authorization, notification number 22 of 2015 Advance Authorization, and notification number 45 of 2016 for Special Advance Authorization. Comment on the videos which we'll be uploading and also request you to inform us if you want to know about any specific topic pertaining to Exim. Thank you very much. Take care and stay safe.